What up guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you a wallet, or let me call it a platform, where you can accumulate some free cryptocurrencies before you transfer them into your own personal wallet. And on this platform you can actually accumulate all this cryptocurrency for completely free without any investment involved. All right, you don't need a penny, you don't need to invest any dime in order for you to accumulate all this cryptocurrency for completely free on this platform. Now when I say free cryptocurrencies, I'm not talking about you mining a particular coin that is not yet listed, or you're going to mine for a very long time before you can withdraw. None of that is going on here. Every coin you're going to be getting here are already on major exchanges and are already trading in the market. All right, so this is not where you're going to work and be hoping that it gets listed. No, this is where you're going to work and you're getting paid for whatever you are doing. Now, what do they do? What kind of work do you do on this platform? All you do is to check Faucet. You go into Faucet, you are going to check paid PTC site. Those are the pay to click site. You can also check surveys. You can also do surveys on this platform and you are going to get paid. Now guys, I said you're going to get paid because I've been using this. In fact, when I started my journey 2021 in cryptocurrency, this was the platform that really helped me know a lot of cryptocurrencies. It helped me discover a lot of stuff. It helped me on my journey. I used it to start and accumulated some free cryptocurrencies without even paying it, investing anything in any platform, and it is 100% legit guys, 100% legit. So guys, I'll show you more things you need to know about this platform in this video and guide you on how you can get started and things you should be doing in order for you to earn and accumulate cryptocurrency with this platform. So if you're interested, or if you are new into crypto, I believe this video is for you. And if you're interested, you want to know more about it, you should pay attention to this video till the end. Alright guys, now to get started, use the link in the description of this video. Go down there, you'll see a link there, a button there, click on it. It's going to bring you straight to the Faucetpay platform where you can sign up for an account. You see, this is a micro payment wallet and earnings platform. All right, you click on the sign up button right here, then you'll be able to sign up using your Gmail account. Then you are going to put in the necessary thing, your username, and you can also use your Telegram to sign up, or MetaMask. Well, I prefer you use your email. Use your email to sign up and create your username. You put in your email, then create a password, then you are good to go. All right, I can't go through all those process because I already have an account already on this platform, so I'm just going to log into my account and show you guys all you need to know about the Faucetpay platform. Quickly, let me log into my, here we are into my account. Got into your account, you're going to see your account this way. All right, now I didn't even know I have about $2 here earlier on. I just saw it when I get into this application because it's been long I used this platform. But I'm actually showing you guys this platform because it really helped me when I started my crypto journey in 2021. All right, so that's why I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this platform to your own advantage, especially if you are new into crypto and you really don't understand more about crypto. Using this wallet, using this platform will help you understand more things you need to know without you spending a dime buying any coin. Actually, you need to understand cryptocurrency before you decide to buy and invest into it. You need to understand it, know what it is really all about, how payments are done, how transactions are done with crypto. All right, now quickly, before I go further, I want us to quickly check some things. I want to show you guys some proof of what I'm saying. All right, let's go to my wallet. Under wallet here, I'm going to click on, oh no, let me go to history. Yes, let's go to history so that I will show you guys what I've done with all the payments, transaction, the ones I received from platforms, the ones I withdrew from here. I'm going to show you guys everything in this video so that you guys can understand why I decided to show you this platform. All right, quickly. All right, so history. All right, okay, very good. You can see deposit made. Now when you see deposit made, doesn't mean I made my own deposit with my money. No, these are deposit made where are the payments I got from different platforms, different Faucet platform, PTC platform, and survey platform. These are the payments I got from them. All right, so you can see over here I got some, okay, this 10 TRX. You can see the year, right here, the date, 2nd September 2022. So like I said, it's a long time ago that I've been using this. I used it a long time ago. You can see all the dates. Also, you can see over here I got payment of about 466 TRX Tron, and that was in February 2022. 13 February 2022. You can see also here 30 Dodge. I got 30 Dodge. And all these things I'm showing you, I actually didn't spend a dime getting them. I only worked on this Faucetpay platform to get accumulate all this. All right, you can see $20 here. I got some Bitcoin here, TRX. You can see 160 TRX, 10 TRX, so on, guys. I can go on and show you guys the history of my wallet. You can see it here. I got 2013 USDT right here, and so many more, guys, so many more. Now I won't be able to show you everything, but now let me quickly skip to these are the payments I received. Now let me show you my own withdrawal, where I withdrew to my own personal wallets. All right, so you can see them here. This is BNB. You can see BNB here. You can see 2023 I still use this. 2022, yes. You can see these are all payments. These are my withdrawals from this platform to my own personal wallet. You can see 2021. Yes, you can see I have 18 USDT here that I withdrew to my own personal wallet. BNB also. Most of the time I use TRX in withdrawing. Okay, you can see them here. I used TRX in withdrawing back then because the gas fee for TRX was way cheaper than every other crypto I know here. That was why I used TRX most of the time for withdrawal. All right. So but now the gas fee for TRX is a bit high. It's no longer like back then. So these are all transactions from 2021. You can see, guys. So actually it's a platform that is very legit. I've been using it for a very long time, and I can always tell you anytime, any day that Faucetpay is worth having as a new beginner into the crypto space. Now, what was I doing in order for me to accumulate these coins from this platform? All right, click on the menu section right here. If you click here, you are going to see your dashboard. You can see dashboard, you can see earn, you can see multiply BTC, you can see coin swap, affiliate, and some other menu right here. But just click on earn. If you click on earn, a drop down arrow will be open. You can see it here. Now you can see where you can see faucet list. Click on faucet list. If you click on faucet list, you are going to see a whole lot of faucet. Now I can advise you to skip the ones with sponsor, because these are people doing ads for their own platform. But the ones that are mainly recommended by the Faucetpay platform as the ones that start from here. You can see, apart from the sponsored or sponsored post, the ones that start from here, these are the main recommended ones. Now this is CoinPayU. If you know CoinPayU, if you have used CoinPayU before, you understand the platform is a very good one, legit, it pays. I've used it several times. I've used it through this platform several times to earn and so on. You can see ordinary this week they've already paid about 1,344 USDT to members. All right, only today alone they've paid about $247 today. All right, so many platforms. You can see these are the ones you can use. Just click on them. Just click on where you can see view. If you click, it's going to take you to where you can get this platform and start to use them. All right, now what you do on this platform are not difficult. All you need to do is to use the faucet, claim some free crypto from the faucet, and you're good to go. Most of the time, once you accumulate those crypto right on those platforms, they will ask you to just put in your Faucetpay email address. Then they are going to transfer whatever you earn on those platforms straight to your Faucetpay account. Then you see it in your account instantly, guys. It doesn't take long. So you can see these are the faucets. I'm not going to be clicking on them right now because they are so much. All right, so much. So you just have to take your time, go through, select the ones you can go ahead and use them, and you will definitely accumulate some free cryptocurrency right here. Now apart from the faucet, you click here, you can go to the offer wall right there. Now you can do some mini tasks with offer wall and earn. Sometimes these tasks could be playing of games, this task could be taking surveys. It depends on the tasks available, but most of the times it's for you to play games and you earn with them. All right, now you can check surveys. Like I said, surveys, you can actually do legit surveys right here and earn. All right, now all right, surveys are not available because it's been long I actually log into this platform to check it out. All right, so it says that I need to at least use the faucet for like a month, and I must have received payment from 7 different faucets this month before I could get some free surveys right here. So guys, you have to use the faucet and you'll be able to get once you get some payment, you can actually come over and look for surveys, and you get surveys pay more higher than every other thing right here. All right, but it's not always available easily. All right, it's not available easily to get surveys. Okay, but anyway, this platform will definitely give you what you need. Okay, now you can see where it is called pay to click. Pay to click is where you're actually advertisements. All right, you click on those advertisements and they're going to open and count down, and you'll be able to get paid for them. That's all. It's not a complicated thing that you can do, guys. Now guys, I want you to understand that this platform is not something that you think you're gonna use and just become rich overnight. No, this is not a platform that is gonna make you a rich man, it's gonna make you a millionaire. No, guys. This is somewhere you're just gonna earn some free cryptocurrency, you're gonna also earn some free dollars to your wallet, and you are also going to learn how crypto really functions by making use of all this platform. That's what it's all about. All right, now you can click on staking here. If you click on staking right here, if you click on staking, if staking section is where once you've accumulated a lot of crypto from different platforms and you have them on your Faucetpay wallet, you can easily use what's it called, the staking section, to just stake some of them, to stake your crypto. Instead of just leaving it idle in your wallet, you can just stake it there and leave it there and let it just keep generating some extra income for you passively, guys. You can earn passive income with the staking section of this wallet, of this app. All right, so guys, it's actually for free. Like I said, you are not investing anything. It doesn't require you investing anything to use the Faucetpay wallet. It's a very free and user-friendly platform. You can easily use it, guys. If you've been following me on this channel for a very long time, you must have seen me talk about, you must have seen videos where I talked about Faucetpay, where I used Faucetpay for my transaction. I used it to receive payment from some platforms. I used it for a lot of stuff, and it's been a long time I've been on this platform. So guys, I can tell you for sure it's legit. So guys, I think I've touched the most important part about Faucetpay. All right, so guys, if you want to be part of it, the link's in the description. Go down there, click on it, and you can easily use this wallet for a lot of stuff. So you can see, after accumulating different cryptocurrency, you can decide to swap. You can see where it is written coin swap. You can decide to convert all your crypto into one particular one and withdraw into your personal wallet. It's left to you, guys. You can do whatever you want to do with it. It's very easy to use, and no matter how low the payment is, you can withdraw, you can receive from any platform. That's why it is called the micro payment platform or wallet. All right, so that is it. That's what all I can tell you about Faucetpay. And I need you to also know that each day you get into this application, you're going to be getting a reward of 1 point, I think from within 1 point to 100 points of Faucetpay reward. All right, they always give a point for being active using their platform. All right, so I think I used to get points here. All right, you can see reward points. I think it's loading. I think because of my connection, I'm just gonna wait. All right, you can see I have about 4,061 points right here. So now you can redeem this, turn it to cryptocurrency, or you use it to boost your account. That's what you can use it for. All right, so guys, I've never used mine anyway. I just left it there because it's the longer I use this platform, like I said earlier on. So guys, if you like what I showed in this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. So I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.